Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hard work feels good. I'm going to show you how to tackle firewood, chainsawing, and more while I share my skills with you. Join me in achieving small accomplishments as part of the bigger picture. It feels good. Give it a try.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Hard work feels good. We're going to be bucking up some of the bigger stuff. I still got a lot of splitting to do, but I tuned up the 661. If you look on the GoPro, it's a pretty big saw, guys. It's got a 36-inch bar on it. It's a beast, and it's a lot of fun to use. Just dangerous, so you got to be careful. It's a heavy saw, so you got to make sure you know what you're doing when you're using it. Let the saw do the work when they're this big. All right. Oh, and for the people that are gonna make the comments, I don't have the dogs on there. You are correct. I do not have the dogs on there. The saw was in the mill. I took it out to tune it up, and I just want to cut a couple pieces. So I didn't put the dogs on because it's going right back in the mill. All right, here we go. So I was trying something out there, guys. I've got a ripping chain on it instead of a regular cutting chain. So it doesn't seem to cut as good with a ripping chain. So give me a minute, I'll be back. I'm gonna swap out. All right, guys, we're back. Using the STIHL 661. Just trying to get rid of some of these bigger rounds. Cut them up so I can split them. But here we go. Alright guys, that'll make it easier for me to move that around. Move it around. I got some sawdust in my mouth. It'll make it easier to move it around to split it. You know, cutting it in half. Alright, let me keep going. Alright guys, I'm gonna call it quits. It's gotta be 90 degrees out, even though it's late in the day, and humidity is intense. I am drenched from doing that a little bit. But just started bucking up a few things, bucking up a few rounds. This way we can get splitting real soon. Alright, you know, don't forget to check out the new website, hardworkfeelsgood.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget, guys, hard work, it feels good. Give it a try. All right, until next time, guys. See ya.